Good morning, dear student of class 12. Today I am going to teach you your second lesson in poetry section, an elementary school classroom in a slum. Today's topic is summary of this lesson. The appearance of the students. You have seen on the screen the summary of the lesson. Page number 144. Page number 144. The appearance of the students shows that they are unwelcome. The kids are having depressed facial expressions. They have unhealthy bodies inherited from their parents. At the end of the classroom, a kid is sitting having bright eyes filled with dreams. The classroom has dirty and muddy walls. Many people have given multiple charts and images for putting on the walls. A poster is there of Shakespeare. His head is bald and looks like the rising sun. The second poster is of the Trillers Valley. Further, another one is world map. For these students, the world is not as they seen in the picture. For these students, the world is the scene they are see outside of the classroom through the window. These children are stuck in the slums. They have dim and hopeless futures. They all have a dark and depressing future. Moreover, they have options in life that are imperfect and disappointing. They are distant from the light of knowledge. Understanding these pictures is out of their abilities. Further, these kids hate everybody, and for understanding these pictures is out of their abilities. Further, these kids have everybody, and for them Shakespeare was a good person, as nobody loves them. Even they disliked everybody. The want for love forces them to do crimes like robbery, etc. The children are so thin that their bones and skeleton are clearly visible through their skin. This is because of the lack of nourishment. Their glasses are made of steel and are cheap. The glasses they wear are quite heavy and uncomfortable at the same time. Their probabilities of accomplishing their dreams and desire of moving out of this poverty have been further reduced by building bigger shanty towns. Until and unless they don't come out of the slums, they will never get to know about the world outside. The government system that creates these slums areas is the major cause that people live here. The students are not having the right to dream out of these slums. The government limits and restricts them to these slums. The poet also appeals to authorities for permitting these poor kids to go out of these slums. The students need to see the outer world. Moreover, the maps on the walls of the class will surely become a reality for them. Moreover, they should be taken to areas with fields and greenery. The sunny atmosphere and the warm sand of the beach will connect them with a hunger for knowledge. If these children will get to learn, then these children will become economically authorized. Listen, second, the summary you have read. In our next class, we will go through the whole poetry with its Hindi version. Thanks, child. Have a nice day.